Okay guys, this is my Batwing Swinguard collection made by Angelo Campolin. They're 13 inches long. Dark horn. Beautiful, beautiful knives. I just love the flush button release. I love the Batwing horns. This is a Nevis, also made by Angelo. And I've been lucky enough to deal with Angelo for some time now. And I got these directly from him. The one in the center I didn't. The one in the center I actually got online from one of the distributors that Angelo uses. And that 16-inch Nevis is a very, very good pick lock. They're beautiful knives. The craftsmanship that goes into these just blows my mind. I mean, you know, when you look at different Switchblades, these things have solid nickel bolsters, and with them being solid nickel, it's just, I don't really, well, shit. I almost become speechless when I think about it. And you may think I'm knife crazy, but I probably am. But these knives just take my breath away. And I know there's a lot of collectors out here who have some really, really awesome knives. And these are just ones I want to share with you. You know, it's just really, really thick stag, sandbar, flush button release. All of them just fire so well. They're dated and stamped A.G.A. Campolin, Maniago Italy. If I mispronounce it, I mispronounced it. This one's in light horn. Really, really good patterns on these. I just can't believe the work this guy does. And to have him hand sign the certificates, to me, I mean, just his signature is worth as much to me as the knives themselves. And he's a real good guy to do business with too. He's been honest. He's been real good to custom polish these for me and to sharpen them. He's always given me a good deal on them, and he's a legend. There's just nothing like the sound of a Swinguard, and those who have Swinguards, you know that. These things are heavy, very, very heavy knives. And when you compare them to an 11-inch, there's just no comparison. I've got a lot of 11-inchers. There's no comparison. The build quality on these is just so much more superior. I really like Daggar Blades. I wish on this Denivus he would have put a ring pull on here. I don't know why he didn't. But at the same time, I'm just glad to have it. But a 13-inch Swinguard of this quality is just incredible. You know, there are a lot of Swinguards out that are production Swinguards, and I've got a lot of them. And the build quality on these is just so much more superior. And I'm going to keep these knives. I'm not going to sell any of them. I'm going to keep these knives in my collection. I've been quiet about getting them. These have been in a limited number, limited run. They made less than 100 of these. And they actually made, I think, 60... Shit, I'm trying to think. 60, 20, and 20. I believe that's it. 60, no, I'm sorry. 60, 20, and 20, I think. But anyway, Angelo is just a great craftsman. He's a legend of what he does. And his knives bear out that fact. If you get a chance to get a Swinguard or get a Batwing, man, grab it, because they're just beautiful knives. And you will never be sorry. These knives will do nothing but go up in value. And I've really enjoyed getting to talk to a lot of you guys that have some really, really cool knives and cool collections. Mine's kind of a humble collection, but at the same time, they're all knives that I really, really, really like and that I'm really crazy about. So I want to give you as much detail on them as possible. And yeah, he made them in dark horn, light horn, and stag. And he made them in 2010. He's not going to be making any more of these. The cut for this is a difficult type of cut, and I don't believe we're going to be seeing any more of these in 2011. I've talked to him about it, and he's moved on to other types of knives. There's a Sicilian out there, a 16-inch that he's moved on to. So if you can get a hold of one of these, if you run across it, get it, because if you don't, I will. And the Denivus, that's an amazing knife in itself. But yeah, these Batwings, for you guys who are into collecting knives, there's just nothing like them. And this is a part of my collection, and it's actually one of the, I'd say it's probably the nicest Batwing collection around. I'm real lucky to have been able to get these, and you know, it's taken a long time, and it's taken a lot of work to work with him to get these, but at the same time, man, they're just beautiful knives. And hey, guys, keep collecting. I told you I'd give you a little more detail on these, and I hope I have. It's getting kind of late, so I'm getting kind of tired. I'll let you go. Anyway, take it easy. Feel free to comment if you want. Always love talking to you guys. Later on.